To set up your WUR-COM Multimedia Communication System, you'll be provided with a link to register for the website. First, you'll be prompted to identify the number of car stations, along with the serial number for each and a designation of your choice. Then, follow the prompts to provide the contact information for the monitoring service, the name and location of the building where the WUR-COM is to be used, a SIM card number if you're setting up a WurLink cellular gateway, and finally, your own contact information. For your first login, a temporary password will be sent to the email address you provided. You will be prompted to reset it when logging in. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to the home page, which is where all incoming calls will appear. From this page, or any other, you'll be able to access the sidebar options, see your username in the upper left, and log out from the upper right. The Cars page provides a list of all cars in use and allows you to call directly into each one. You can also access the same feature by opening the Properties page, choosing the correct property, and clicking on the Cars tab. The first column displays the car name. The second column shows the car name plus the property, and the third column shows the car status. Idle means a call is not being placed to the car station. Call requested means a call has been placed but not yet answered, and call in progress means someone is currently communicating with the car. Connection status shows whether the car is online and the last ping time. Finally, from the fifth column, you can place a call to any online car station. Click the Property Detail tab to see and edit information for the property, find phone number origination for the unit, and make any desired adjustments to the outbound call priorities. The Call Logs page provides a complete history of all calls. In the interest of privacy, calls are not recorded, but you may view high-level details about each one, including property, car, Twilio ID for advanced troubleshooting, start, stop, call duration, and participant details. When you receive or place a call, the camera feed will appear on the home page. You'll be able to monitor the cab floor, communicate verbally, or send messages. Click the chat bubble to generate a list of pre-programmed responses you can choose from, or type custom messages into the window. If necessary, you can mute the call and use your desk phone for audio. Once the call has been completed and you hang up, you will see that the car has returned to idle on the Cars page, and you can initiate another call as needed. When you receive a call, simply click Accept, and proceed to use the video feed, texting interface, and audio feature as needed. The car station can be programmed to call directly to the app or to an external line like a traditional elevator phone. Contact your Wurtec rep for a complete list of features and configuration options.